No heaven or hell doesn't mean that there is no consequences as a soul. When you come from religion and the ideas of going to heaven as a reward and to hell as punishment, it may be hard to grasp the idea that those places don't exist and that punishment is not an aspect of the eternal journey of a soul. But the truth is that as souls, we play roles in each other's lives on earth. Sometimes we play the good guy or gal so the other soul can learn wisdom from an experience that is horrible by our standards. When a soul has chosen to play the bad guy or gal in your life movie, then they will not be punished. There are consequences, but punishment is not one. Our ideas of morality and justice are human ones on this plane of existence. They don't necessarily apply to universal laws in existence within eternity as a soul. If you can only keep spirituality within a religious framework, you will be limited by the ideas that control you rather than having the ability to expand. Kemetic teachings are based in how we operate as eternal beings, not just from the plane of human existence. These ideas of conforming to control mechanisms are really fear-based. We hope the next person is as afraid of getting eternally punished for doing wrong as we are. Therefore, I'm going to be safe from harm. Or we just want what we feel is justified for the punishment of a wrongdoer. The truth is, we never consider the psychological damage that's the flip side of ideas like original sin, where people are trying to reconcile guilt and shame within different areas of their life that causes a psychosis so deep they lose touch with reality. Kemetic spirituality is not another religion. It can and did exist alongside religious beliefs in ancient times, but it's not a religion. When you truly begin to expand consciously, you will throw off the mental shackles and choose to live life from expanded possibilities rather than controlling and fear-based concepts with rules that keep you in a box. If you have a religious mindset, you will find it hard to grasp this no punishment concept. Just because there is no eternal punishment doesn't mean that there are no consequences. But there is no God waiting to strike you down for being sinful. However, if you play the part of a bad guy or gal, you will get the chance to learn from your experience in the next life playing the part of the person you victimized. You may become the victim in the next life to learn what it was like, not as a punishment, but as a chance to learn. I'm using the word victim for convenience here. But the truth is, we are never victims. We choose by design the lives and lessons we want to gain wisdom from. For example, if you lived a life that harmed others, you may reincarnate into their experience so that you, the soul, gets to learn what it was like to be treated like you treated the others. It's a consequence of your behavior, not a punishment. It's a chance to gain wisdom. Most people's idea of hell and punishment and of karma are based on the idea of human laws and a finite life and existence, not from the Kemetic paradigm of a soul that lives thousands of lives. Again, in the Kemetic paradigm, you won't get sent to an eternal hell as a punishment. It doesn't exist. Christianity made up the idea of an eternal hell. It's a sick and twisted concept when you really analyze it. However, you will get the chance to learn from the flip side of an experience as a consequence, not a punishment. Thank you for listening. Please like and share this video with anyone that may be expanded and uplifted by it.